Because this world we live in is tough. It's tough. It will beat you down. The world and the life that we live in is the ultimate competitor. It will try to take you out. It will find your weakness and it will just hammer you. So it's time to get back to work.
Hold on, brother, chase him. Say my name, I pop up like the boogeyman. Game over, dropping bangers with no hooks. And free my brother Leak, I hate I'm putting money on your books again. Yeah. If you ain't never took a man, calm down. I know, so I approached her with my palm out. Was on that she in the county ring song. Yeah, risk taker, beat that Glock with 50 on it. Yeah, hey, Echo, turn this beat off if I ain't tripping on it. Hey, making love to the juice, I'm just sipping on it. Not no fool man without no foolies. Who got glitches? My little cousin don't slide but won't. I gave that Taurus. Witness, I ain't seen to shake them clips of horror. Folks told me pull up to AZ, he got them switches for us. Stop viding on your war stories, bitch. Hey, another top flat, we need to clip some more. We up the most, you know that been a score. 2-1.
Yeah.